All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you two ways to make a perfect triangle. So we're going to go over here and we'll get our shape tool. We have the rectangle tool, rounded rectangles, so on and so forth. But we're going to hit polygon. And I'm just going to draw one out, and I'm still holding on to it, right? I haven't let go. See, I'm still drawing the size. And I'm going to use my arrow keys and bump it around. See that? But if you bump it down to 3, well, guess what a 3-sided polygon is? Triangle. So I'm going to bump it back up. I'm going to bump it back down. So I'm just using the arrow keys, and then I haven't even finished drawing it yet. Isn't that cool? I'm going to hold Shift, and now it's going to lock it in place. See that? I can turn it. I can scale it bigger and smaller. I can rotate it, but it will lock it, vertically by holding Shift. So I'm going to let go now. So that's one way. That's the fun way. And then we can also just click on this and hit. Click on the actual artboard, and here we go. We can make different shapes of the polygon, but obviously we want our 3. And then this is going to be, it's the same dimension either way. So let's just make it like 300, and you have a 300 pixel triangle. Look at that. Hold Shift, you turn it sideways. You can draw an arrow tail if you need. Just grab another little rectangle, and now you've got your arrow, right? So that is triangles. Easier than you thought, probably. You just got to know where to click. Otherwise, you got to draw it with the pen tool by yourself, or draw a rectangle and try to cut it in half and all that fun stuff. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.